Okay, so in question 2, we're told that the fifth term is 135 and the eighth term is 5, okay? I'm going to show then r is a third, so we'll just sub in t5 there, so we put n to be 5. Okay, so we'll have n being 5, so that's 5 minus 1 is 135. So this then becomes r to the power 4 is 135. Same over here in the eighth term, so this will be r to the 8 minus 1 is 5. So then r to the 7 is 5. Okay, so we've got equation 1, equation 2. Okay, so when we've got two equations then, we want to work out we want to work out r, we can solve them simultaneously. And with a geometric series, the best way to solve simultaneously with these two is to divide the two, right? Okay, because we'll get to the solution quite quickly. So we'll do 2 divided by 1, and the reason for that is because the second equation's got the higher power of r. So you've got r to the power 7 in the second equation, divide by r to the power 4 in the first equation, and that will equal then to the other sides divided by each other. So 5 here in equation 2, divided by 135 in equation 1. Okay, so that will be true then when we solve them simultaneously. And what happens then is the a's will cancel. Okay, a divided by a is 1. And of course you can use rules of indices here to work out r. So with the power there, take away the powers, so 7 take away 4 is 3. This side then simplifies to be 1 over 27, and then of course you cube root then to get r, and you get one solution out to be 1/3, okay, which is what they wanted. Quite simply then sub the value of r into equation 1 or equation 2 to work out a. So if I sub it into number 1, we have r there to the power 4 equals 135, okay, while to the power 4 there, that will be a times 1 over 81 equals 135. And what I can do then is take that 81 over the other side, so I can do a times 1 here is a, take the 81 over and times, and I get my answer out of my calculator to be quite a large number for a, but that's what it is there, 10,935, okay? So then in part B then, they want to sum to infinity. So remember the sum to infinity formula is a over 1 minus r. Okay, we know a is that big number there, and we know then 1 minus r, well we know r to be a third, so you just got to type that into your calculator, okay, or you can type in 10,935 divided by 2/3, so I'll work that out, and I've got out the answer to be 16402.5. Okay, so that's what that series there with an infinite amount of terms adds up to, so 16,402.5.